everyone, this is Shivangi. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to speak about Lakme's latest launch, which is their Spotlight lip glosses. I've got all the shades here. I'm going to tell you everything about these lip glosses and of course show you the swatches of all the lip glosses. You'll find the link and the details in the description box below, so definitely check it out. Now without further ado, let's begin. Lakme Spotlight lip glosses come in 8 gorgeous shades. There are tones of browns, berries, pinks and reds, and there's definitely a shade for everyone. It's a highly pigmented product which is non-sticky and lightweight on the lips. The application of the product is very easy as well. It comes with a doe foot applicator. You just have to swipe the applicator on your lips, and honestly even beginners can easily do this. The consistency of the product is non-sticky and light, which makes it easy to spread it evenly on the lips, but at the same time it doesn't bleed from the lips. And it does give one swipe pigmentation. Now let's get to the swatches. The first shade is called Mocha Brown. The second shade is Creme Caramel. The next shade is Dewy Pink. The next shade is Very Berry. The next shade is Rouge Taffy. The next shade is Plum Magic. The next shade is Electric Red. And the last and final shade is called Deep Flamingo. So those were all the swatches of Lakme Spotlight lip glosses. If you're looking for a glossy lip product which is highly pigmented, which is comfortable on the lips and which is not sticky at all, then you can definitely consider getting few from this range. They are so comfortable, guys. And another plus point is that you can actually build the pigment of the glosses. If you want like a sheer tint on your lips, then you can apply just a very thin layer of the gloss and have a natural looking sheer tint. And if you want a bold lip, then of course you can layer it up and get a solid bold lip. These lip glosses retail for 675 rupees, which is a good price point for the kind of quality that they deliver. It's a good range, guys, and it has some really pretty colors, so you can definitely check them out and consider buying them. With that, we've come to an end of this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you're not following me on Instagram, then ensure that you do. I keep posting some makeup related content on my Instagram handle as well. And if you haven't subscribed to our channels already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got this channel where I post beauty content, and we've got another channel where we make daily vlogs. I'm going to leave the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below, so definitely check it out. And yeah, that's it. On that note, I'm going to sign off for now. You take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye-bye.